In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict age on your kids profile in Netflix. By default, kids profile are set to 12 years and below. However, you have the control to limit even this age further. If you want to do that, then just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get started, go over to Netflix account and log in with your main account, and then head over to your account here and choose manage profile. Now under this, you'll see we have profiles here. Go ahead and choose the profile that you want to manage. I want to manage this, and that is I want to restrict the age. Now under preferences, you should be able to see adjust parental controls. Here you're told edit maturity rating and title restrictions. So if I tap on it, I need to confirm my email or my password. So let me just confirm my password, and here I'll enter my password, then submit. And now you can see here I have authorization to give further restrictions. As you can see, currently the maximum are programs that requires parent guidance. However, I like to reduce this further to general exhibition, which means my kids or children can comfortably watch without the guidance of parents. So I'll go ahead and choose the first one by tapping on it. And now here I've added further restriction on this account. If you want to restrict also specific titles from showing in your kids account, you can go ahead and enter them here. Then to save these changes, go ahead and tap on save. And now this will be applied on your kids account. So that's how you can restrict or change maturity age on your kids account in Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.